Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and I make all sorts of videos from fashion to how to look feminine and also days in my life. And I also have a fashion business, so which I also do behind the scenes videos. So if you want to learn how I'm growing my business and what I get up to day-to-day life, then I'd love for you to subscribe and comment down below what other videos you want to see from me. But don't forget to join the family. And also I have an Instagram account which I am a lot more active on there, so I'd love to say hello on there, and don't forget to go and follow me on there and give me a comment down below telling me you have gone and wrote me a message. So in today's video, we're gonna do a blowout, at home blowout, which I absolutely love using. So I thought this video will be really useful if you wanna get yourself that va-va-voom, even though we're not going anywhere. But I think it's quite nice to know how to look really presentable and really manage your hair, especially that I have curly, frizzy hair. I'd love to show you my tricks and also the products that I use. So let's begin. This is the final look, and I love how bouncy and playful this hair really looks, and I love that it has these beautiful soft waves near my face because I feel like it frames my face a lot better than having loads of curly hair. And yeah, this is my go-to style for when I do want to dry my hair, which I try not to use too much heat on my hair, but this is my beautiful go-to blow dryer. And so if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more tutorial about hair, then please hit the like button. That will tell me that you enjoyed this video and you want me to do more hair styles and how I should style my curly hair. All the products are down below for you to purchase if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.